Hey there, I'm Julie Barrett, and I'm back again with another bill of the day. Today, we're going to be talking about Senate Bill 5022. This is a bill that was dropped by Senator John Lovick of the 44th Legislative District in Washington earlier this week. This is an act relating to law enforcement agency and prosecutor offices hiring of persons legally authorized to work in the United States. This bill would update the revised Code of Washington to allow for people who are legally authorized to work in the United States to be able to serve in positions in law enforcement and in the prosecuting attorney's offices throughout the state of Washington. Now, there was a prequel bill last session to this, which was Senate Bill 6157. And what that bill did was it allowed DACA recipients to serve as law enforcement officers in the state of Washington. Washington joined 4 other states in allowing DACA recipients to be in law enforcement positions, being California, Colorado, New Jersey, and Illinois. So this is kind of the next step in allowing other non-citizens who are in the country legally. We're not talking about illegal immigrants here. We are talking about people who have come and legally have the ability to work. But the question here is whether or not they should be working in a law enforcement capacity. People who are not citizens of our country, should they really be enforcing the law of the land? In a state like Washington, which is a sanctuary state, and if you follow Washington news and politics, you know that the incoming governor, Bob Ferguson, has been making it very clear that he plans to fight the Trump administration on a number of issues, but certainly Trump's plans to deport a lot of illegal immigrants. You know that that is going to be a fight. So you want to consider, if we are hiring non-citizens to be in law enforcement positions, will they have a bias towards illegal immigrants, those who are here illegally, those who are probably here committing crimes, because we know that a lot of these illegal immigrants are causing a lot of the crime and violence that we have going on in Washington state and in our country at large. So this is a bill that conservative ladies of Washington will be opposing in the upcoming session. We're not opposed to the law-abiding immigrants who come to our country legally, holding these positions and being in other positions, to serve their communities. What we would like is for them to have a path to citizenship that doesn't make it so difficult to be law-abiding citizens and get their citizenship. And there's definitely something with, when you are a citizen of a country, you have more skin in the game and probably would be less inclined to have some sort of bias towards other illegal immigrants. There's also a clause in this bill about making it possible for these workers to be able to possess firearms. And so that, as far as the federal laws, it would be in compliance with federal laws. I'm going to pass this bill information and the firearm component of this over to my buddy Bill Kirk at Washington Gun Law, have him take a look at it. And if I get information from him, or if he does his own video on that, I will be sure to let you know. If you aren't already, please subscribe to our channel. Please turn the notifications on. That way you won't miss an update or an alert, as many of our videos are time sensitive. And be sure to subscribe to our Substack. That is the best way to get the latest information, the latest alerts. And once the session gets started in Washington and around the country, we will have a lot of calls to action for you, things as easy as 30 seconds that you can do from your mobile device. So thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and share, and I'll see you again next time.